When the time came for Jesus to go to Jerusalem, he set out with courage. He sent friends ahead into a Samaritan town to get things ready. But the people there did not welcome him because he was going to Jerusalem. James and John said, "Lord, shall we call down fire from heaven to punish them?" But Jesus turned and said no. He showed mercy and peace. Then they went on to another village. Some said no and turned away, but Jesus walked another way. Not with anger, not with fight, Jesus showed the world his light. When they're mean, when they say no, Jesus teaches how to go. Choose peace, choose love, follow Jesus from above. No to anger, yes to grace, I will walk in Jesus' way. James and John said, "Lord, let's fight." But Jesus said, "That's not right. Show God's mercy, walk with me. Love will shine for all to see." When they're mean, when they say no, Jesus teaches how to go. What do we choose? Peace and love. Who shows the way? God above. How do we live? Mercy, grace. Who do we follow? Jesus, God. Choose peace, choose love, follow Jesus from above. No to anger, yes to grace, I will walk in Jesus. Choose peace, choose love, follow Jesus from above. No to anger, yes to grace, I will walk in Jesus' I will walk in Jesus' way. Jesus, help me choose peace and love instead of anger. Make my heart gentle, like yours. Amen.